36th District Court is now in session with the Honorable Raeigen Evans presiding. While court's in session, there's no talking, eating, sleeping, walking around, listening to electronic devices. When your name is called, please give your full and undivided attention to the court. Good morning, Your Honor.
Good morning, Mr. Petway. Good morning, Ms. Horn. Good morning, Mr. Ratliff, and good morning, Mr. McGuire.
Good morning, Your Honor.
Good morning, Your Honor.
All right, this is the people versus Terrence Delaney, ticket number P1178136, count 1, failed to display valid operator's license, not in person, count 2, no insurance misdemeanor, ticket number P1267845, count 1, drove while licensed on valid or improper license, count 2, driving register or untitled vehicle, count 3, no insurance misdemeanor, ticket number 217311514, count 1, no operator's license on person, count 2, drive unregistered or untitled vehicle, and count 3, no insurance misdemeanor. Ticket number I think these are in the fall. Okay, I think that's all the tickets. Good morning, please say your names for the record, starting with Attorney McGuire.
Oh, good morning, Your Honor. Joe McGuire, P75571 for the defendant. I do believe that there's a few more tickets, at least that I have. I can read out the beginnings of the case numbers, the ticket numbers.
But I have the civil infractions, but I don't see them on here.
Oh, yeah, I'm not talking about the civil infractions. Yeah, there's 2 defaulted civil infractions. Those aren't on here, but then there's SP 126760001
I
from,
caught that one.
oh, sorry, and then there's 3 counts for that, and then there's SP 1267845 and
I caught that one as well.
oh, sorry, maybe you're going fast. And then
No,
just to make
it's
sure,
fine, but it's fine, but I don't think I called SP 928132. I don't think I called that one. So
there we go. Okay, I knew we were missing a few. Yeah.
Judge, could you repeat that? I got SP 9281 and then the last number's faded.
Yeah, because I didn't say it. Give me 1 second.
Okay.
Okay. All right, SP 9281321, count 1, no insurance misdemeanor. Hold on, give me 1 second. All right, count 2 is drive while license suspended. And count 3 is drive unregistered or entitled vehicle.
And I think you called this one, Your Honor, but just to make sure now, and we also have SP 1178136 counts 1 and 2. Is that on there too?
Yes, she called.
Yes, I called that one.
Okay, great. That's all of them then. And Joe McGuire, P75571, appearing on behalf of defendant Terrence Delaney.
Okay, Mr. Delaney, say your name, please.
Terrence Delaney.
All right, Mr. McGuire, there is an offer from the city attorney. Does your client wish to avail himself to that offer?
Yes, he would, Your Honor.
Okay, raise your right hand, Mr. Delaney. Do you swear or affirm to tell the whole truth and nothing but the truth?
Yes, I do.
You can put your hand down. You've had an opportunity to speak to, you can put your hand down. You've had an opportunity to speak to Mr. McGuire in private about your case and your rights.
Yes, I have.
Has anyone threatened you, forced you, or promised you anything of value in exchange for your guilty plea today?
No, I haven't.
You're pleading of your own free will?
Yes, I am.
You're pleading guilty because you're actually guilty?
Yes, I am.
And you understand that by pleading guilty, you're waiving your right to trial?
Yes, I do.
Knowing that you're waiving your right to trial, you still wish to continue with your guilty plea?
Yes, I do.
I'm going to direct your attention to the date of June 20th, 2021 at 4:44 p.m. On that date and time, were you at or near Jefferson and Du Bois in the city of Detroit?
Yes, I was.
Were you driving a 2007 Chevrolet vehicle?
Yes, I was.
Did you not have an operator's license on your person?
No, I didn't.
Was the vehicle that you were driving, was it unregistered or untitled?
It was registered and titled.
I don't believe it had a license plate, Your Honor. So I do believe that's why Mr. Delaney.
Yeah.
So is that true, Mr. Delaney?
Yes, that's true.
Okay. And was the vehicle uninsured?
Yes, the vehicle was uninsured.
You're satisfied, Mr. McGuire?
Yes, Your Honor. And before sentencing, we just like to say I work for Detroit Justice Center. It's a nonprofit organization that helps people like Mr. Delaney achieve their restore or gain their driver's licenses so that they can find and keep gainful employment and be contributing members of their communities. And so we would just ask, in the interest of that, for the court to reduce the fines and fees.
Uh-oh, you went out.
It's-
Mr. McGuire.
Oh, hello. Do you hear me?
Yeah, we can now. Go back to your asking that the court reduce and then you
Right.
stop.
Thank you. We would, so in the interest of that, Your Honor, we would just ask for the court to reduce the fines and fees that Mr. Delaney is expected to pay for these 3 tickets as much as possible so that Mr. Delaney can restore his driver's license and be able to drive and help him find employment and education and training. We work with local nonprofits to help people do this. And as you know, in the Detroit area, we are the motor city, so it's hard to do that kinds of those things without having a valid driver's license. And so we would just ask for the fines and fees to be reduced as much as possible. None of the charges that Mr. Delaney received had anything to do with danger to public safety. I believe Mr. Delaney, we were talking, I believe he didn't really have a lot of guidance in his journey about what he needed to drive. And now that he's working with Detroit Justice Center and other organizations, he is receiving that guidance, and we'll help him along every step of the way to get him legal on the road.
All right, with that, the court will order a fine of $200 for the no operator's license on person, and will waive the fine for the other 2 misdemeanors.
Thank you very much, Your Honor.
So it's just a total of $200. Mr. Delaney, can you have that paid? Can you have that fine paid by November 7th?
Yes, I can. I can have it paid in full.
Okay. November 7th is when the money is owed. Do you have any questions, sir?
No, I do not.
All right, well, you are all set. Good luck
Thank
to
you very
you.
much, Your Honor.
Oh,
Thank
Mr. McGuire, do you stipulate the proper cause as to the remaining tickets to be dismissed?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay, so they're all dismissed without prejudice.
Thank you very much, Your Honor, and to court staff.
Thank you.
Thank
Good
you.
luck, Mr. Delaney.
Thank you, ma'am.